Ocean View serves as a very diverse neighborhood. Its African American community became expansive after World War II, and especially after the Civil Rights Movement. There was a high enlistment rate for the war, but African Americans were still not treated equally. In the Army, parades, and church services, the races were still segregated. Many African Americans migrated to the Bay Area for work during the war and secured good-paying jobs and settled permanently after the war had ended. Until the mid-1990s, African Americans accounted for over 50% of its residents, but many were forced out because of the rising cost of living in San Francisco. The neighborhood as a whole is one of the most diverse, seeing more Hispanics, African Americans, and Asians than San Francisco as a whole.